Hey guys, this is Matt at Courtesy Buick GMC, and I'm here to show you my favorite 5 features on a 2016 GMC Terrain. My first favorite feature is the side blind zone monitoring. It's going to keep you and your family safe. There's sensors around the car that are going to help prevent you from switching lanes or going into the wrong lane with cars passing you in your blind zone. My second favorite feature is your rear cross traffic alert. I know everyone's ever been at a grocery store or anything, you got 2 big trucks on one side and you play the game, you got to back up a little bit and hope everyone sees you. With this, you don't have to anymore. The sensors around the car pick up all objects moving behind you and will help prevent from you backing up or anyone running into you. My third favorite feature in the 2016 Terrain is the 8-speaker Pioneer. Good thing about these is it's a premium sound for all your music endeavors and everything like that. You're just going to get a really premium sound inside the car. My fourth favorite feature is this power programmable liftgate. As you can see right here, you can set your lift gates to different heights if your garage is too small, anything like that, or you can adjust it to your own personal height back in the back. All right guys, my fifth and final favorite thing is, I know winter has just ended, but we all know it'll be back here sooner than we know it. So just your good old-fashioned heated seats. All right guys, those are my 5 favorite features on this 2016 GMC Terrain. If you all have any questions, want to come out and take it on a test drive, my name is Matt Creamer. Just reach out to me. Thank you.